Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the scene and code. Create a script or local script and reference workspace. Define origin and direction vectors immediately so the ray has a clear start and aim. Configure raycast params next. Set filter type and add include or exclude lists to avoid hitting the player. Once done, call workspace, raycast, origin, direction, params. This first step ensures your raycast targets the right objects and avoids wasted checks, which improves performance and predictability. Now you build and execute the actual ray. Normalize direction to avoid scaling bugs, then multiply by range so you know maximum distance. Create raycast params with collision group or ignore water as needed and pass it into workspace raycast. When you receive a result, inspect result. Instance, result. Position and result. Normal to decide response. Make sure to check object tags or attributes to determine interactability. Once you process hits, update visuals or physics, because immediate feedback helps you verify the ray behaved as intended. Finish by responding to hits and validating behavior. Use result. Position and result. Normal to spawn impacts, apply forces, or calculate decals. This aligns visuals and physics. Once implemented, visualize rays with temporary debug lines or beams so you can see misses and overlaps. If results are inconsistent, make sure origin offsets aren't inside geometry, collision groups are set correctly, and filter type lists contain intended instances. Also confirm the direction vector is computed every frame when casting continuously to avoid stale.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.